This video will walk you through a short-term capacity management problem by focusing on workload. Here's the data for our problem. Medical Solutions Inc. has the following claims, or demand, that it must complete in the next week with 40 hours of capacity. The jobs, as well as their respective setup and processing times, are as shown. The requirement for this problem is, given a process claim capacity of 40 hours of work, can the workload or demand be completed in the week? If not, what short-term capacity solution would you recommend? This problem is related to work order capacity, where all of the claims of the same type are processed together. This requires the use of the following formula, which is found in your textbook. Capacity required, CI, is equal to setup time, SI, plus the processing time, PI, times the order size, QI. When all the claims are processed together, the setup time is essentially spread over the entire work order quantity, or work done. In other words, the setup time is independent of order size. What we need to do here is calculate the work order capacity requirements for each of the different treatments. Let's start with the cancer treatment, or CT claims, and apply the formula. 3 hours of setup time plus 0.9 hours of processing time per claim times 18 claims equals 19.2 hours. For spinal injury, or SI claims, the workload is equal to 1 hour of setup time plus 1.6 hours of processing time times 12 SI claims for a total of 20.2 hours. And then finally, hip replacement, or HR claims, which equals to 2 hours of setup time plus 0.7 times 9 claims for a total of 8.3 hours. This means the total workload requirements to process all three different types of claims is 19.2 plus 20.2 plus 8.3, which equals 47.70 hours, which is less than the 40-hour capacity available. Thus, our conclusion is that the work cannot be completed this week using regular hours. Some alternative solutions that could be employed might include hiring temporary workers, using overtime, or shifting work earlier or later in the week when idle time might exist. This problem, while relatively simple, highlights the importance of determining what the workload requirements are to meet demand in relation to the available capacity. Knowing that enough capacity does not exist in advance enables management to take preemptive measures to still get the work done.